Hello students. Today we will discuss the topic principle of interchangeability. So for manufacturing of large number of component, it is not economical to produce both the mating parts using a same operator. So what should be done? But modern production technology requires that a complete product has to be broken into components so that each part becomes an independent process and it will lead to specialization. So various components, if there is an assembly, the components of that assembly are manufactured in one or more batches by different person, by using a different machine and at different locations. So, to achieve this, it is essential the parts that are manufactured must be at a desired accuracy and they have to adhere to limits of accuracy specified. So, there must be a limit on each component which has to be manufactured. So, the components which are manufactured under such condition are called interchangeable components or interchangeable manufacture. So interchangeability occurs when one part in an assembly can be substituted for a similar part which has been made from the same drawing. So interchangeability is nothing but in an assembly, if there is some part, it can be easily replaced by some other part which is manufactured with the same limits. So if you see the example, we will easily understand it. So the example says that if there are 100 parts each with a hole and there are 100 shaft which have to fit into any of the hole. If there is interchangeability, then any of the 100 shafts should fit into any of the holes and the required kind of fit can be obtained. Hence, for the interchangeability of holes and shafts, we need a system of limits and fits which gives standard values for limits on the holes and the shaft so that any particular type of fit can be obtained. So, interchangeability occurs when one part in an assembly can be substituted for a similar part. So, for example, if there are 100 parts each with a hole and 100 shafts which have to fit into any of the holes. So, if there is interchangeability, then any one of the shafts should fit into any one of the hole. So you can randomly pick any of the shaft from the 100 and if you try to fit any of the hole among the 100, you can pick up any hole and try to fit it, then they will easily fit. For this we need a system of limits and fits which will give standard values of limits on the holes and the shaft. So for this we need a system of limits and fits. So interchangeability is possible only when certain standards are strictly followed. In universal interchangeability, the mating parts are drawn from any two different manufacturing sources. So universal interchangeability means here, so the components from two different manufacturing process. So here I am manufacturing one product and in some other place the other product or the other component is manufactured, and then we try to assemble them and they get assembled also. So that is called as universal interchangeability. So universal interchangeability, here the mating parts are drawn from any two different manufacturing sources. Universal interchangeability is desirable, and to achieve this, all standards used by the various manufacturers should be traceable to a single source, which will be a international standard. So to achieve universal interchangeability, the manufacturers must all use a single standard, and that is called as the international standard. When all the parts to be assembled are made in the same manufacturing unit, then local standards may be followed, and this is known as local interchangeability. So here all the parts are manufactured at a single local manufacturing unit. Now, what are the advantages of interchangeability? So, the replacement of defective or worn out parts can be easily carried out. So, what are the advantages which we gain when we apply this interchangeability for the components? So, the first one is it will become easy to replace the defective or worn out parts in the assembly. The operator, by performing same operations, becomes specialist in that work. So by this interchangeability process, there will be considerable reduction in manufacturing and assembly time, and it will enhance the quality. So this interchangeability will increase productivity and it will reduce production and time cost. So this is all about the principle of interchangeability.